Okay, great opportunity to make a video. So, I did my oil and did it with some expensive royal purple stuff, which I always do, and tighten up the drain plug. Then I realized it's still dripping out. Try to tighten it a little bit more, didn't work. So then I discovered, well, it's got to be the drain plug. Got a new drain plug, put it in, tightened it. Nope. So these VWs, they have a composite oil pan. So I'm thinking that the threads on it got cross-threaded somehow. Now it's just, the oil is just going past through there. So I actually been wanting to, and I did order a steel oil pan, which that came in, and I'm just gonna replace it with the steel one, and that's what I'm in the middle of doing right now. So, you got that you got this little plastic protector shit here. I don't even know if it really protects anything, maybe from rust, huh? So that's just some like little Torx bits. They're like little plastic ones. I don't know the size of it, but they're really easy to come off. I just used my freaking drill gun here, did that. And then you're gonna have these Torx bits on the oil pan. So I drained the oil, and I'm gonna spray some WD-40 on there. It looked like these are kind of new, and those are a little older, so maybe someone's already done this. Definitely the oil pan's been off before, and they probably had trouble getting these ones off, so then they had to get new ones. They probably stripped them out or something. So yeah, then you got this little plug here for the oil pressure sensor. Undo that, and then once you get the oil pan off, you're gonna have these three little, I think they're 10 mil bolts. Take those off once the oil pan's off, and then do everything in reverse. Put the new oil pan on, put this in there, clip this, make sure the new drain plug is closed, and then this stuff goes on with RTV, I guess, for the metal ones. So yeah, just your instructions will come with how to, where to beat it. You're gonna want to beat it in the inside of the screw, that'll be your pattern of RTV there. But yeah, then it's pretty much just doing everything in reverse and putting new oil in it. So that's where I'm at, and then I'll have, well, this sounds like metal. It's not supposed to be. Huh, that's interesting. Very interesting. Maybe someone's already done this, but these do come with a composite, so I don't know. I just ordered the pan, and I'm gonna go at it. Hopefully that works. So either way, I have a cross-threaded freaking drain plug here, so it has to be done. But yeah. Thing worth noting here is, once you get the oil pan off, you're gonna wanna go to the block and scrape off the rest of the RTV with maybe like a razor blade or something like that, just to make sure that when you redo it, it's gonna be a good seal. Here's the actual part number off of Napa if you want to order it. This is the cheapest I've found it.